Hi, welcome to Deep Dive. Imagine a young boy not just dreaming of playing in the NBA, but observing over it. Kobe didn't just pick up a ball, he devoured the game. He studied the greats Michael Jordan, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, and dissecting their moves, their mentality. He wasn't content with just being good, he yearned to be the best. His journey wasn't paved with ease. Entering the league straight out of high school, he faced skepticism. Many doubted his maturity, his ability to compete against seasoned professionals. But Kobe didn't flinch. He embraced the challenge, using every doubt as a fuel to his fire. He spent countless hours in the gym, honing his skills, pushing his body and mind beyond their perceived limits. Think about those grueling practices, the sweat dripping, the muscles aching, the mental fortitude required to keep going when every fiber of your being screams to stop. That was Kobe's reality, day in and day out. He wasn't just practicing, he was crafting himself into a weapon, a force to be reckoned with. And the results? Five NBA championships, two NBA Finals MVP awards, an NBA MVP trophy, 18 All Star selections, two Olympic gold medals. These aren't just accolades, they are tangible proof of his unwavering commitment to his craft. But Kobe's story transcends the trophies and the highlight reels. It's about the Mamba mentality, that fierce, unyielding drive to be the best version of yourself in whatever you do. It's about waking up every day with a burning desire to improve, to learn, to conquer. It's about embracing challenges, not shying away from them. It's about the meticulous preparation, the relentless focus, and the unwavering belief in your own potential. Think about those clutch shots, the game winners with the clock ticking down. Those weren't just luck, they were the culmination of countless hours of practice, the unwavering confidence forged in the fires of dedication. He wasn't afraid of the pressure, he thrived under it. Even after his illustrious basketball career, Kobe didn't rest on his laurels. He transitioned into storytelling, winning an Academy Award for his animated short story, Dear Basketball. This showed another facet of his relentless drive, the desire to conquer new challenges, to leave his mark in different fields. Tragically, his life was cut short, leaving a void in the hearts of millions. But his legacy, the Mamba mentality, lies on. It's a reminder that greatness isn't a gift, it's earned through hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in yourself. So when you face obstacles, when doubt creeps in, remember Kobe Bryant. Remember his relentless pursuit of excellence, his unwavering dedication, his Mamba mentality. Let his story be a source of inspiration, a reminder that you too can achieve greatness if you are willing to put in the work, to embrace the challenges, and to never give up on your dreams. Go out there and create your own legend.